How to access Google Password Manager. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can view all of the passwords that you have saved with the Google Password Manager. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser of your choice. Like I have opened Google Chrome. Now if you have also opened Google Chrome, you can simply click on this Google Apps button over the top right corner, and then from here keep scrolling until you see the Password Manager. So click on Password Manager and it will lead you to your account's Password Manager. Now if you are using any other web browser, simply go to the search bar and search for the following, that is Google Password Manager, and then hit the enter button and you will come across this website, that is Google Password Manager or passwords.google.com. Simply click onto this and it will lead you to the same page as before, and from here you can see all of the websites of which you have already saved the passwords of. Now, in order to view any of the passwords, simply click onto that particular website and then you will need to verify yourself. And once you will done that, the password and your username will be visible to you. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.